Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a health bar. So in this video, it'll just show a health bar on your screen, probably at the bottom of your screen, wherever you want it. You can place this wherever you want it. I'm going to place mine at the bottom. Yeah, let's get right into this. So to start out, I'm just going to go over to my Start GUI here on the right side, and I'm going to insert a screen GUI. And in the screen GUI, I'm going to insert a frame. I'm going to name this the main frame. And I'm going to place it at the bottom because I want mine to be at the bottom. Make it a little bit wide. Okay, get a little bit more slender. That should be fine for mine. And since this is going to be kind of the background for your health. So the green is going to be over top of this, and this is going to be the background. So the background that I'm going to make mine, the background color, I'm going to make the background like a grayish color. You can make the background like whatever color you want. I'm make mine gray. Okay, so inside of this main, I'm going to insert another frame. We're also going to change around the settings a little bit in this one. We're going to change our anchor points both to 0. And on the same frame, we're going to change our positions both scale to 0. And we're going to change our size on both scale to 1. That should take effect. Yeah. And then after that, I'm just going to name the frame that I created to like health. This is the bar that we're going to choose. It's going to actually show how much health you have. And for the overlay, I think over here on the background color, I'm going to make mine green. Just so it's health. You know, health is usually green. And next, I'm going to insert a text label. This text label is going to kind of show your actual health. And I'm going to just change position of this. Change the anchor point to, that's fine. I'll just change the position to 0.5, 0.5 on the X, so that it's in the middle. And I'm going to put on text scaled, and I'm going to want to remove this white background, so I'm going to put background transparency to 1. I'll make the text a little bit cooler though too. So I'm going to get white, but I'm going to put on make the texture transparency a little bit up. I have an outline, make it a little bit bold. You don't have to like change the text around like here. You can kind of make it like however you want your text to look. It's just preference over here. And now that we have that, I'm going to get it a little bit into the scripting part. So I'm going to insert a local script to our UI. First define the player equals game.players local player. Character is equal to player.character humanoid, because that's where we can get our health from. Character, wait for child, humanoid. Make sure we're getting it. After this, let's get our text health. It's equal to script.parent dot main dot text label local frame health script.parent.main.health. Okay. And at first, we want to change our text health dot text equal to humanoid dot health dots quotation marks slash another 2 dots humanoid dot max health. So it'll basically say their health slash their max health. And then we're going to set our frame health size at the beginning. Unit 2 from scale humanoid.health divided by humanoid.maxHealth. 1. This one is just for the Y size, and this one's for the X. Okay. So the next part, we're just going to get the humanoid.health changed. So whenever our health changes, we want to update our little bar. So I'm going to just copy this. And then I'm going to also, I'll tween it. I'm going to tween this so that it looks a little bit better. So we're going to take this same thing, still updating to the same place, but we're just going to add some stuff like our easing style. We're going to use, actually it's easing direction first. We're going to use outs enum.easing style. You can kind of use anything you want. Sign and Quint are both good. Claude is also good, but I'm going to use Quint. And then I'm going to make the time 0.5 seconds. If you wanted to update a little bit slower, then you can make this a higher number. This is just how fast the health bar is going to move when it updates. Okay, let's give this a test. Okay, it's on here showing my max such, and I'm going to try and change it to see how it looks. Go to my humanoid and workspace. I'm going to change my health to 78. See how it updates. And again, if you do move it up, it still goes up and it goes down. Alright, well, thanks for watching guys, and make sure to like and subscribe.